Hi, my name is Carolyn Saund, and I'm here to talk to you today about making a computer think like a person. So there's this idea of embodied cognition, which is basically just the idea that our body, the fact that we have a physical presence in the world around us, fundamentally shapes the way that we can think. So this idea in itself makes sense. Like, you can't teach a dog algebra. Its brain just can't understand. So our question is, how can we actually get at the way that we ourselves as humans are thinking? So the way that we look at this is through behavior. The behavioral process is you have a thought that you want to express. You do something. In my case, you gesture a lot, which you'll now notice through this whole presentation. A listener will then watch that behavior and then form their own interpretation of your thoughts. And through this, we try to actually computationally understand the way that our brain is organized. So we bring people in and we put them in a motion capture suit. So we have lots of little trackers all over their body, and we pay attention to very specific dynamics about how they move. We look at the acceleration of their hand when they say something, or the way that their fingers will move when they're displaying insecurity or indecision. And then we take machine learning models and computationally relate that to the things that they're saying. So we break down the semantics of what they're saying, with the rhetorical structure of what they're saying. When people say, oh, they got together the other night, do they say got together or got together? And we look at an interdisciplinary approach, so we use psychology, people self-reporting about what they think they're thinking and what they're actually saying. And we build generative models of gestures. And we do this because what we want to actually do is get a computer that thinks like a person. So we think with our bodies, we think socially, we think communicatively, and we want to make machines better at understanding and also displaying the social behavior so that we can widen access to various interactive devices. And we do all of this through the idea of embodied cognition, because computer science on its own right now is taking a very deep learning approach. It takes a lot of data and kind of goes through a black box and gives an output that doesn't really make sense. We can't really explain it. But we want to be able to make something that a person can interact with in a natural and socially fulfilling way. Thank you.